여러분, 안녕하세요. Do you like Korean food? We are going to study Korean food in K-pop Demon Hunters. 라면, 라면, 김밥, 김밥, 국밥, 국밥, 설렁탕, 설렁탕, 냉면, 냉면, 호떡, 호떡, 핫도그, 핫도그, 어묵, 어묵, 새우깡, 감자깡, 새우깡, 감자깡. I really like 호떡. How about you? Okay. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time. Bye.